I'm
Oh, hi. Hi, Aryan.
good evening, sir.
Hi, good evening. Such a fantastic time to catch up with you, and that too live at
Thank you.
1 o'clock in the morning.
Yes, sir.
Aryan, I think you have got two devices. एक device को बंद कर लो, please.
Yes, sir. वो हो गया, sir. This is my first time going live right now.
Okay, wonderful. तो सारे toppers ऐसे ही होते हैं, ladies and gentlemen. I very proudly welcome this year's NEET UG 2026 topper, Aryan Gupta. Join me in congratulating the wonderful, brilliant boy, along with his family members. Fantastic, Aryan. Such a great result that you have had.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
So, Aryan, how's the feeling? Are you still feeling धरती पे ही हो अभी या आकाश वाली फीलिंग आ चुकी है?
अभी तो काफी ड्रीम लाइक स्टेट लग रही है, काफी सररियल लग रहा है.
Okay,
इट इज लाइक अ फीवर ड्रीम. मतलब अभी भी हिट नहीं करी रियलाइजेशन की इंडिया में रैंक 1 आया है.
fantastic. So, Aryan is going to be the one of the few people, obviously, who will be getting into the prestigious All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi, and I'll just share the brief background with all of you who are at live at this point of time, or all of you are going to be watching this video at a later time as well. But first thing first, Aryan, how did you manage to get this particular rank?
सर जस्ट मेहनत और गॉड्स ग्रेस और लक. सजा मेहनत 80% एंड कहीं ना कहीं 20% गॉड्स ग्रेस एंड लक तो था ही उस दिन 21st
फैंटास्टिक. तो आर्यन, अब हमने अपने नीट यूजी के एग्जाम की तैयारी कब से स्टार्ट कर दी?
11th में स्टार्ट करी थी इंस्टीट्यूट एजुकेशन स्क्वायर में लुधियाना में. तो वहीं से 11th और 12th में नहीं करी थी सर.
ओके, ग्रेट. और अगर मैं वो स्टैंडर्ड वाले सवाल पूछूं जिसको बहुत सारे लोग ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम आई थिंक फॉलो करेंगे कि कितने घंटे पढ़ाई करते थे?
वही मतलब एवरेज तो 12 to 14 आवर्स हो ही जाता था. पर इनिशियली क्लासेस होती थी 6 आवर्स क्लासेस और घर पे 5 to 6 आवर्स सेल्फ स्टडी. पर एंड में जाते जाते क्लासेस वगैरह खत्म हो गई थी. तो कई कई बार 15 to 16 आवर्स भी स्टडी हो जाती थी एक दिन की.
ओके, बहुत ही बढ़िया, बहुत ही शानदार आर्यन. और आपके प्रिपरेशन के टाइम पे एनी पर्टिकुलर एम्फोसिस दैट यू गेव टू वन पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट या सारे सब्जेक्ट इक्वली पढ़े?
वैसे शौक तो फिजिक्स का था कि पर्सनल इंटरेस्ट फिजिक्स बहुत अच्छी लगती थी. पर somehow I had एक नैक था फिजिक्स के लिए. तो हल्का सा कम टाइम डिवोट करता था फिजिक्स को. पर एंड तक जाते जाते बायो में जो रट्टा वाला पार्ट है वो दिक्कत आती थी. तो वो
हाँ जी.
बार बार पढ़ना पड़ता है, उसमें काफी टाइम डिवोट करना पड़ा.
Okay, great. And for those of you who are watching Aryan live at this particular point of time, let me also share, friends, that Aryan's parents are both doctors. His father is a anesthetist and an intensivist, so he's taking care of the surgeries as well as he manages an ICU. And his mother is the fantastic gynecologist. Both of them are practicing at Ludhiana. And such a great pleasure, Dilip sir. Thank you for joining in. I think if I can possibly send you an invite as well. So Dilip sir, we never realized, you know, how far our influence can be. So I'll just very briefly share the background. We happened to catch up with Aryan at a time when last year he came to Delhi for the counseling, and Aryan's brother happened to join Maulana Azad Medical College, and it is such a fantastic feeling that this year around he has managed to crack this. So Aryan, are your parents around? पापा
Yes.
मम्मी हैं साथ में?
Hi, good morning.
हाय, गुड मॉर्निंग सर. मेनी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस. कैसे हैं आप?
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
तो ये तो सर बैक टू बैक वो हो गई. इट्स काइंड ऑफ अ सेंचुरी, डबल हिट.
हाँ, आदित्य had laid the base. उसका ऑल इंडिया वन रैंक 54 था. He missed aims by just 1 mark.
ओके,
So Aryan covered that part.
ओके,
And
फैंटास्टिक.
Aditya has been a very great role मतलब in laying the road for him.
ओके,
So he just
फैंटास्टिक.
followed him. इसका जिंदगी का एक ही एम था कि मैंने भाई से 1 नंबर ज्यादा लेके आना है.
अच्छा
एक
सर, एक
college
नंबर नहीं
better-
तो ये बहुत ज्यादा नंबर ले आया है. इनफैक्ट
1 नंबर ज्यादा लेके आना है, एक कॉलेज बेटर लेके आना है भाई से. इसका अपने यही था कि दोनों में 1 साल का डिफरेंस है. तो इसका था आई हैव टू बी बिट बेटर देन हिम. सो दैट इज ही पुश हिमसेल्फ. और बाकी बड़े भाई के एक्सपीरियंसेस और उसका बहुत हेल्प रहा. जो उसने गलतियां की, जो उसके था, तो उसको रिफाइंड फॉर्म हर चीज को मिली. तो उसको
Agreed.
बहुत ज्यादा हेल्प हुआ इसका.
Fantastic, fantastic, sir. Sir, I would just like to share that we have been joined by one of our star faculty members of Cerebellum Academy, Dr. Dilip sir.
Morning sir.
Congrats,
Hi.
Aryan.
Hi, Dilip sir. Dilip sir, he happens to be RN Gupta. He happens to be the rank 1 NEET UG 2026 this time around.
Wow. Congrats.
And such a pleasure. And I have no words to express my happiness. And I don't know. It as it feels as if I am the one who has got this rank. I just happened to meet this young boy last year when he came to Delhi for the admissions taking place. And through our common contact, we actually met.
We
And,
came to Delhi for our elder son's admission. We were scouting for colleges कि वह MEMC or Safdarjung. At that time, we met through a common friends, and he had a great influence on my younger son. किसको लगा कि पापा सर ने मतलब फार्माकोलॉजी के हेड होके कॉलेज में भी पढ़ा रहे हैं. He is running such a wonderful app जो वहां पता चला, and he's such a big name in the medical fraternity in Delhi right now. हमें उतना रियलाइजेशन नहीं हुआ जब आके गूगल किया तो हमें पता चला कि कितने कितने ज्यादा फॉलोअर्स हैं और जो इतने इसके फ्रेंड्स जो लुधियाना में डीएमसी में एमबीबीएस कर रहे हैं. हमने उनको बताया कि ऐसे हमारे हैं और उनको मिले तो देवर लाइक स्टार गेज्ड कि आप उनको मिलके आए हो कि नेक्स्ट टाइम आप मिलो, हमें नंबर दे दो, नेक्स्ट टाइम मिलो तो हम भी उनसे मिलना चाहेंगे. मैं ये सच सच ए बिग फैन फॉलोइंग इन डीएमसी मेडिकल कॉलेज लुधियाना.
No, I think I can assure you, Sachin sir, that Dilip sir also has a similar kind of feeling. People love to call him the saliva of medicine in Chennai, but not only in Chennai now. I think with him launching the medicine in a day concept, fantastically, a lot of people are now very much familiar and in awe of the way he teaches medicine. So I'm sure कि in due course of time, Dilip sir, you and me will have to take the responsibility of teaching these bright boys and
Yes,
help their winning streak continue.
Welcome, young man.
थैंक यू सर. और लास्ट हमें पता नहीं था कि मेडिकल कॉलेज में आजकल एप्स का इतना ज्यादा रोल है. ड्यूरिंग आवर टाइम्स आई डिड माय जॉइन माय एमबीबीएस 34 इयर्स बैक. तब तो सिर्फ बुक्स होती थी. अब मेरा बड़ा बेटा एमसी में है, फर्स्ट ईयर के एग्जाम्स दे रहा है, तो एग्जाम्स के लास्ट दिनों में रिवाइज करने के लिए वो एप्स यूज कर रहा है. हमने उसी से सेरिबेलम नाम का ऐप सुना था और फिर पता चला कि सेरिबेलम लोग इतने ज्यादा बच्चे यूज कर रहे हैं और यहाँ पे मतलब लोग दे पे 1000 रुपीज टू ज्वाइन इन मतलब. तो दैट इज अ न्यू कंसेप्ट टू अस. बट वो कह रहा पापा पहले तो गाइडेंस ग्राउंड बहुत पढ़ी, अब लास्ट में आके होता है कि ऐप में से जो क्वेश्चंस हैं या कुछ हैं वो शॉर्ट पढ़ के चले जाओ या वीडियो देख के चले जाओ या डायग्राम देख के चले जाओ और फटाफट एग्जाम में दे आओ जाके. एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू एल्डर सन इट इज हेल्पिंग हिम अ लॉट. मतलब
No, fantastic, sir. I think with the wonderful result RN has got, I think thousands of people would be lining up to seek his guidance and to know the strategy and how has he managed to crack this. Maybe there's only going to be one person who's going to be a rank 1, but people are going to be really curious कि कैसे करना है exam में, and irrespective of whatever exam that they're appearing in, I think it is a dream for every student to get into the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Delhi.
इट वाज हिज ड्रीम कॉलेज. बाकी वो दिन इसका दिन था. दैट वाज हिज डे. आई थिंक गॉड वाज ऑन हिज साइड ऑन दैट डे. इन फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट ही मिस्ड आउट ऑन 5 क्वेश्चंस. In re-attempt, he just missed out on 1 question. So I think he was clearer on that day. He was under less pressure in re-NEET. और in first attempt उसको ये था कि मैंने एम्स क्रैक करना है, एम्स क्रैक करना है. उस प्रेशर में ये 5 क्वेश्चन गलत कराया था. पर नेक्स्ट टाइम गया तो ये सोच के गया कि जस्ट एक मॉक टेस्ट है, आई टेक इट एज ए मॉक टेस्ट. और मैंने शाम को आकर बायो रिवाइज करनी है आके.
Okay.
तो he was chilled, he was relaxed, and he did way better than his previous attempt. मतलब
I think, sir, Dilip sir, I think would agree with me. Sir, I think this goes for all the exams, na? If you are going to be mentally bit more calm, then you're reading the questions more carefully. आप ज्यादा questions के options समझ लेते हैं. You are not missing out on the except. You are not missing out on the correct, incorrect statement kind of questions. And I think
The
that
small
leads to a
not things. Yeah.
better
Yes, sir.
comprehension and, obviously a great result afterwards.
sir, we love to meet you both when we come down to Delhi for admission, and we'll seek your
Sure.
guidance and towards for next 5 years
Sure,
for
sir.
his medical journey.
Fantastic, sir. We are always going to be there. And of course, I think no number of words can describe our feeling as of now. You can literally see the glow on our faces, even at 1 o'clock.
My
I-
lovely wife,
Hi.
Oh, hi, ma'am.
she's
Congratulations.
over the moon right now.
How are you,
Congratulations,
sir?
ma'am.
Thank you.
See, sir, even the students are making comment at 1 o'clock. Dilip sir got a medicine, just finished the class, loved the 30-hour concept. So I
So we'd love to meet you both in person in Delhi.
Definitely, sir.
Yeah.
Sure, sir. Why not?
sure, sir, 100%. I think, Dilip sir, we can have Aryan and sir and madam as special guests on our Cerebral Hum event, no?
Yeah, definitely.
We'll
And I
bring
can
our
see
elders
like how
also.
happy they were.
Aditya.
That's why I'm just like mesmerized with the way they look and the faces.
So, sir, it is almost like 1 o'clock, and I would say 4 actual
I
doctors
don't
and
think
one
so.
one
We will
almost
sleep
doctor.
today. I don't think so. We are going to sleep today.
Absolutely.
नहीं मैम, आज तो सोना बनता भी नहीं है मैम. आज तो आप सेलिब्रेशन करो. I think and I don't know if
Here
anybody
we are
noticed.
celebrating with you.
नहीं 100%.
My
I was
eldest
very
son
very
stand up starting
surprised.
tomorrow. स्टैंड अप स्टार्टिंग टुमारो. तो उसका भी पढ़ने का मन नहीं कर रहा. सब दोस्तों के फोन आ रहे हैं उसको, सब टीचर्स के फोन आ रहे हैं. मतलब उसको टीचर्स के एमसी के टीचर्स उसको फोन कर रहे हैं कि यार हमारा नीस है, हमारा नेफ्यू है, वो उसने भी एग्जाम दिया था, तुम्हारे भाई का कैसा रहा. एवरीवन इज एंजॉयिंग. मतलब
तो आप उनको सिंपल चीज बोल दो सर कि आप मेरे को एग्जाम में वैसे ही क्लियर कर दो एंड आई विल बी शेयरिंग द टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स विद यू.
I was telling him same thing.
वो स्टार बन गया अपने कॉलेज का. मतलब रिफ्लेक्टेड ग्लोरी है उसका. अच्छा पढ़ा, रैंक भी अच्छा था. ही वाज ओपनिंग रैंक इन एमसी. तो भाई की वजह से उसका और भी हो रहा है. मतलब
नहीं फैंटास्टिक सर, नो डाउट. मतलब दिस अचीवमेंट इज ऑलवेज वेरी वेरी स्पेशल. I think Dilip sir, it is kind of a nostalgia for you if you remember the days when you got some medal or you topped in an exam.
Absolutely, sir. Even you. I mean, for all of us, like even I've seen. I don't have my father, like so I can imagine my mother sitting with me like this when we achieved something, and she couldn't sleep the whole night. And I used to tell her like, ask her to sleep.
that is expected, sir. That is expected. I think that is the biggest blessing, मतलब biggest happiness. जब हम खुद select हुए थे इतनी खुशी नहीं हुई थी. जब बच्चों के कारण मतलब we are elated. This is just beyond words.
Yes, sir.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
And I don't know, sir, how many of the people noticed, but initially we were having a difficulty in making Aryan join this Insta Live. So the reason was that I am also not doing Insta Live too frequently. And what he shared was that he was doing it perhaps for the first time.
He has joined Insta for 4 days back. He has made his account for the first time in life and joined Insta today. And after, on your insistence, he saw in his settings the Insta live feed was off. So he had to made it switch on, and then he was able to join in. This is first time for all of us. We are
Wow.
tech illiterates. We are tech illiterates. So this is our first time for all of us.
लेकिन सर इम्पोर्टेंट यही है ना कि बिकॉज ऑफ द ऑनेस्टी दैट यू आर शेयरिंग की टेक इलिटरेट्स है, इसीलिए दैट चाइल्ड हैज गॉट दिस काइंड ऑफ अ रैंक.
Right.
Otherwise I think Dilip
Only
sir
had
would
WhatsApp.
agree.
He only had WhatsApp on his phone because of all the questionnaires and papers used to come on that. Otherwise, there was no app per se as such.
Otherwise, for most of the other people, we have to devise strategies how to detox them, how to take them away from the screen.
I think he'll be addicted now after going into college.
He is becoming addicted.
I think now it is a well-deserved trait for him.
Yeah.
Now that he has achieved the dream rank as well as the dream college, so I think he deserves that.
We hope he remains happy and healthy over there.
Absolutely, absolutely.
He makes healthy choices. For the first time, he'll be living independently without his brother and without his parents. There are all type of kids in the college, all type of having interest. I think he makes healthy choices.
Sir,
He
can
will,
we take
sir.
some questions? I mean, people are asking questions. How much did you study in a day?
Sure, sir.
Aryan, वो लोग आपसे पूछ रहे हैं कि how many hours did you study in a day?
So average 12 to 14 hours ही था. Initially 6 hours class, 6 hours self study, और वही end तक जाते आते 16 to 17 hours से 15 to 17 hours study हो जाती थी. Like 6 hours sleep and बाकी try to like study the rest of the time.
So I think it's a common phase. Nothing less than 10 to 12 hours of study is going to be helping you. So that is the bare minimum which is very much required.
मतलब वही जैसे आफ्टर 10th तो काफी, चलो मैं एमबीबीएस के सामने तो नहीं है कुछ, पर 10th के बाद तो काफी इंटेंसिव लगता है ये सिलेबस कि इतना सब कुछ पढ़ने वाला है. और एंड तक जाते जाते इतनी बारी रिवाइज करना होता है कि एक बायो का चैप्टर जैसे 25 बार पढ़ लिया, 30 बार पढ़ लिया, तो टाइम तो मेहनत तो करनी पड़ती है, टाइम डालना पड़ता है. यू हैव टू लाइक पुट इन द आवर्स.
What's your
Absolutely.
favorite hobby, Aryan? What's your favorite hobby?
I like to play table tennis. I was a state player. National camps गया था, national level पे खेला हुआ हूँ.
Okay.
But in 11th and 12th, I had to drop it because of studies. But now after 12th, I've restarted it again.
Okay, so your favorite sport is table tennis.
Yes, I have been playing it for since class 7th.
Class 7th, okay. So yeah, my favorite sport is table tennis as well, apart from
Arey, wow.
cricket.
That's amazing.
I hope I'm not the ping pong ball between the two great players.
I hope we
Not
we
at
have
all,
a match
sir.
sometime.
Yeah, we can have a bet, yeah. You are singles, I mean, you like singles or doubles?
Singles.
Always.
हमेशा वो blend in करना partner के साथ हमेशा difficult रहा है मुझे.
You're good in forehand, backhand or both?
Forehand. मेरा मैं लेफ्टी हूँ तो लेकिन ना वो लेफ्टी का
You're a
ना-
lefty?
हाँ जी.
Wow.
तो लेफ्टी का ना हल्का सा अनड्यू एडवांटेज ऑलरेडी मिल जाता है पर हाँ मेरा मुझे काफी कॉम्प्लीमेंट किया जाता है अपनी सर्विस को लेके और फोर हैंड टॉप स्पिन स्पेशली.
Okay. That was about to be asked the next question. Side spin or top spin?
टॉप स्पिन के अंदर इनहेरेंटली हैंड अगर बेंट होता था तो साइड स्पिन आ ही जाता था टॉप स्पिन के अंदर.
Okay, more of a top spin player.
या
Okay. So favorite shot is a smash or a drop?
स्मैश और स्मैश आई गेस.
Okay, cool. So we can actually discuss a lot about sport than the
Yes,
studies,
yes.
I guess.
I think that is going to be a good sideway discussion, sir. I think everybody is going to be asking about the tips and tricks for physics,
Yeah.
chemistry, bio. But having a discussion on table
But
tennis
it's
can be
kind
one
of
special
boring. So
discussion.
once you really finish your exams, like talking about studies again and again, it's kind of boring. I feel like you should have some off time, at least for a couple of days.
ऑफ कोर्स काफी redundant लगता है asking the same questions telling the same answers इतने पढ़ना है तो हाँ it's fine.
But I can understand, Aryan, I can assure you अभी ये चलेगा और ये काफी लंबा चलेगा अभी very likely you're going to be having people queuing up, लोग line up करेंगे अभी newspaper interviews के लिए because you're having a rank 1, particularly from a place like Punjab. Then people are going to be taking up your interviews as well. Then maybe a lot of institutes lining up. But I think due credit has to be given to your original teachers and the people who have given you the right guidance. Would you like to name them?
Yeah, so the teachers जिन्होंने पढ़ाया मुझे फिजिक्स के क्या कहते हैं अश्वनी कुमार क्या कहते हैं केमिस्ट्री में डॉक्टर दिनेश वोरा और बायो में सौरभ सर. These are teachers और again पेरेंट्स का था ही मेरे बड़े भाई का बहुत रोल था during these 2 years of
And one more thing I just want to add in that
Handy,
this,
handy.
as a parent, what we felt that this is just not a 2-year journey. This has been a 12-year journey for us.
Agreed.
He has been giving Olympiads, 2 types of Olympiads by 2 different setups from class first onwards. First onwards, class 5th May, he joined a EdTech platform and took a package for 4 years.
Okay.
Uneventfully, that company folded up, but he still joined and paid them a hefty amount in class 5th for 5th to 8th. In class 6th, he started giving all these national entrance examinations, talent hunt examinations.
Okay.
So he scored 5th rank at that time and he was awarded 5,000 rupees in class 6. That was a huge amount and he was brought to Chandigarh and was awarded over there. In class 8th, again he had a bit non-medical inclination. He joined an institute known for its non-medical credentials. But that institute also folded up uneventfully. So then he started joining another institute. So he has been aligned to one institute or the another from class 1 onwards. If these institutes now claim him, he had one thing or the another connection with all the institutes at one point or the another. Maybe in class 6 with one institute, class 8 with another, 9, 10 for one, a person plus to another. I think success has many fathers and failure has none.
Absolutely.
In NEET, he was scoring around 800, 900 rank. So no one was bothered who is Aryan Gupta or where he has studied or what he has done or what platform he has taken additionally. I think all the top 100 students, if you interview, none of them has 3 or less than 3 platforms.
Okay.
One offline, the maximum students I know, his friends, all of them have one offline platform, one online DLP course, one or 2 test series. Because being a small place and a small institute, we have only 100 students. Still, they could manage 3 students who are in top 130 ranks.
Fantastic.
Well, All
Fantastic,
India
sir.
1 rank, All India 79 rank, and 128 rank are from our institute out of just 100 students. But he wanted to test himself to bigger institutes who have 20,000, 30,000 kids with them.
Agreed. Agreed.
So he joined test series of one particular institute. He found their bio very tough. He
Okay.
didn't never attempted their physics chemistry. Then there was another institute. Their physics was very good. So he attempted their physics. He used to go, attempt the test of physics and come back because bio was below average. So this is how kids they are the best judge that how to approach subject, how to approach which subject from which institute or which book. Basically, he followed NCRT. Well, I can reasonably say that he has studied bio NCRT at least 20 to 25 times, word by word. He
Okay.
he remembers verbatim, even appendix, even the front box they have given introduction about teachers. He remembers each and every single word. मतलब अगर हम बोल देना कुछ आगे पीछे बोल देते थे पापा इट इज लाइक दिस सीक्वेंस तो बेसिकली जो हम बोलते हैं घिसाई की है बैठ के कि लगे रहो दैट इज द क्रक्स नथिंग एल्स इंटेलिजेंट बच्चे और भी बहुत हैं जिनके नंबर इससे 5 नंबर 10 नंबर कम आए हैं दे माइट इक्वली और मोर इंटेलिजेंट देन हिम नंबर 1 फैक्टर हार्डवर्क जो सभी ने की बहुत ज्यादा और लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट इज जो बच्चे का उस दिन लक काम किया भगवान की कृपा रही आप कुछ भी नाम दीजिए उस चीज को समथिंग वाज देयर विच वाज मिसिंग और लैकिंग इन द फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट नीट में एंड विच अकर्ड हेल्प इन री नीट फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में ये बहुत टेंशन में आया था कि मेरी 3 गलत होगी 12 के पास चला कि 5 गलत होगी कि 2 क्वेश्चन में डाउट था इस बार एक कॉन्फिडेंट आया था कि मेरे 3 में डाउट है पर आई एम प्रीटी श्योर कि क्वेश्चन गलत होंगे और वही 2 क्वेश्चन 3 में से 2 क्वेश्चन एनटीए ने गलत की साबित किए एक को
Okay.
ड्रॉप किया और एक के 2 आंसर सही किए जो उसने कहा और इसका सिर्फ एक ही क्वेश्चन गलत हुआ
Okay.
तो आई थिंक गॉड हैज बीन काइंड but it is not just only his intelligence. There are many other intelligent people who might have got lesser number, but they are way more intelligent. But it was not their day. They scored 715 first attempt, but in second they scored 695.
Okay.
It happens with any kid. It happens with anyone. It can happen with any kid. मतलब
नहीं बट एक चीज मैं यहाँ पे ऐड करूंगा सर कि वो आप बात ठीक कह रहे हैं कि गॉड हैज बीन काइंडर टू हिम बट ही इज काइंडर टू स्पेशली दोज पीपल हु आर वर्किंग फॉर देमसेल्व्स आल्सो
sir, I think every parent helps the kid. Educated parent tries to give the best for the kid. Number
सर
one.
हमारा एक्सपीरियंस तो ये भी है आई थिंक दिलीप सर वुड आल्सो कंकर विद मी दैट irrespective of the educational status and the background I mean sir we have interviewed so many of them who have cleared the NEET PG exam the INICET the FMG exam every parent tries to provide the best resources to their kid and I think that one of the fundamental things that we would like to convey to everybody who's watching this particular video maybe in the live as well as at any point of time later on is this particular moment wherein you achieve something and the kind of happiness that is on the faces of your parents or your teachers is something that no amount of money can ever buy and you would be absolutely proud to an extent that when you're talking to your teachers you create a nostalgia in even them even so fantastically when Dilip sir is remembering the good time that he had when he cracked the exam and when he was with his mother and similarly I am able to recall the time when I cracked my PMT for some reason there was a power failure we had one candle which was borrowed from someone we had to look at the result reconfirmed it whether we should be telling to the other people or not it was not a mobile phone era I mean should I give a call should I not give a call then out of my own my own insecurity I went for the third time to cross check the result and then only I mean we started sharing the news so that is absolutely true but yes जहां पे एक बच्चे का क्रेडिट बनता है वहां तो उसको ले ही लेना चाहिए सर एज यू से कि इट इज नॉट एन एफर्ट ऑफ 1 day 2 days I mean maybe people look at a glorious side of it people are impressed by the fact that toppers are achieving this so last moment revision के लिए अपने NACs और courses होते हैं but I think fundamentally the genuine success belongs to people who have actually worked for it for consistently quite a decent amount of time.
I'll just a second. I'll just show you his room. What was his last minute preparations for that D-Day?
Dinesh sir, I think we are for a fantastic opportunity where this kind of a live is going on and
camera just a second.
हाँ
Again, bookshelf number 1.
This is a photo of my elder son when he scored big. These are the paintings made by both the kids. This is his all the
Wow.
elements,
The periodic table.
periodic table, all the books,
Hmm.
and
I don't know at our point of
guitar
time.
to
what it
play
is.
sometime. And these are all the shields. There are many, many more in the Almira. These are few of them are lying here.
Fantastic.
Uh,
Fantastic.
these are all the medals. These are sports as well as academic. And this is the last 1 month. Last 1 month, all the colored stickers with different colors for different subjects. And this was for last day revision. He made all the points so that before going to the exam, just for 1 hour, he can look up to these and see all the Almiras, even the mirror. He didn't spare even mirror, Mallam. And this is our washroom doors, other Almira doors, which are all filled with these stickers. All the points, all the final points, uh, all the small diagrams, chemistry diagrams, formulas.
सर इतनी एफर्ट के बाद भी आप कह सकते हो मतलब इतने एफर्ट और इतने स्टिकी नोट्स के बाद कैन somebody actually say it is only about luck? It is.
Luck plays a factor, sir. The thing is, अगर फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में इसके मार्क्स अच्छे नहीं आए, दैट डजंट मीन दैट इसने मेहनत नहीं की थी
Agreed.
या इसने ये इंटेलिजेंट नहीं था. और सेकंड अटेम्प्ट में नंबर अच्छे आ गए, इट डजंट मीन कि ये बहुत इंटेलिजेंट हो गया, ये इसने बहुत मेहनत की थी. सो द डिफरेंस लाइज, वो फाइन डिफरेंस इज लक. जो उस 695 तक तो मेहनत लेके गई, 695 से 715 का सफर, वो आपका उस दिन कैसा था, भगवान की आप पे कृपा थी या नहीं, आपका दिमाग संतुलित था या नहीं, मेंटल प्रेशर कितना लिया था आपने, दैट हेल्प्स.
हाँ लेकिन फंडामेंटल पॉइंट तो सर वही हो गया ना. मतलब आप देखिए कि अगर उसका 695 भी आता देन आल्सो ही वुड हैव गॉटन इनटू अ प्लेस लाइक मे बी सफदरजंग और मैमसी और मे बी उसके
मेहनत
मैदान
बहुत ज्यादा
डिफरेंट
थी,
कॉलेज.
बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत थी. इतनी मेहनत थी कि हमें डर लगता था कि ये shouldn't go crazy, मतलब किया क्या कर क्या रहा है, इतना क्यों पढ़ रहा है, रट्टे मार मार के बोल बोल के. ये पढ़ता था बोल बोल कर, ऊंचा बोल बोल कर.
ओके.
तो हमें लगता था कहता मेरी कंसिडरेशन बनती है, वरना मेरे दिमाग में कुछ ना कुछ चलता रहता है. तो ऊंचा बोल बोल के हमें लगता थक जाएगा, मतलब हम इसको चुप कराते थे, चुप हो जा. लास्ट डे जिस दिन नीट था, आधी रात को नींद में मैंने उठा, ही वॉज मटरिंग समथिंग, सम फार्मूला और समथिंग. नींद में कुछ फार्मूला बड़ा रहा है. तो प्रेशर दे हैड. और हमारी तरफ से कोई प्रेशर नहीं था, नॉट एज ए पेरेंट. हम उसको शांत कराते थे, भैया कुछ नहीं है, हो जाएगा, हम भी बन के डॉक्टर. हमने सिंपल कॉलेजों से किया है एंड वी आर डूइंग रीजनेबली वेल. बट इसने अपने ऊपर यह होता कि भाई से बेटर करना है, एम्स क्रैक करना है.
एक ऑलवेज रहा था कि लाइक खुद से ही अपने आप से कि जस्ट वन स्टेप अहेड ऑफ हिम, यू नो, कि ही इज ऑलवेज बीन एन इंस्पिरेशन टू मी, बट स्टिल आई हैड दिस weird knack that I want to be better than him at studies at least.
It's so
Very
heartening to see that both of you are really, really humble. My God. After so much of hard work and so much of whatever you have put in, like, actually, I'm wondering, like, how can someone be so humble?
No, sir, we always believe in good times don't last, and this too shall pass, whether it is a bad time or a good time. This too shall pass. This is just a fleeting moment. We are enjoying it. We are savoring it. It will hit us in a day or two. But I think here to remain this thing grounded and study. Medical college is totally different ball game altogether. वहां जाके यही कहेगा पापा पास हो जाऊंगा ना, पापा पास तो हो जाऊंगा ना.
नहीं नहीं
पेपर है.
सर, वो उससे काफी ज्यादा बेटर करेगा आई एम श्योर with the combined effort of all his teachers who are going to be teaching at the Premier Institute, as well as I think we would be privileged if we can be of any help and guidance to him at any point of time.
You people are helping a lot my elder son, so definitely he'll be taking your guidance.
That is going to be such a fantastic thing, sir. It is an opportunity that we would not like to miss.
And it will be a privilege for all of us. We love to meet you all. Whenever we come to Delhi for admission, I'll make an appointment with you and we'll meet you all.
It will be such an honor and a pleasure, sir. Of course.
No, you both of us made me immerse in that happiness, sir. Like, that is what the highlight is.
That's why
Like,
I just
even
want
Hasi,
to.
it's been a collection of so many emotions for me as well, like nostalgic, happy, proud, and
That's why I was showing you his room. Okay, this is
yeah.
his room. That's what he
Yeah.
does.
So I'm just like immersed in whatever your emotions are right now.
See,
So-
this is his Ilmira. These are all the notes he has made by himself. These are all the notes, folders, tests, all are labeled.
No, I can see the kids' effort absolutely. Like,
Just see. This is my elder son. Note. Chemistry class 12. Aditya physics free. So these are all labeled and everything. Well, listen.
Like I still remember ये मैंने जो स्टिकी नोट्स हैं वैसे टाइम नहीं मिल पाया था तो द डे ऑफ द नीट मैं 11 बजे पढ़ रहा था 12 o'clock निकलना था घर से और आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर दिस थिंग ये पढ़ी थी मैंने और 2 क्वेश्चंस बाय चांस पेपर में आ गए एंड दे वर जस्ट इन माय शॉर्ट टर्म मेमोरी तो तब काफी फायदा हो गया था तो हाँ तो
Aryan?
I'd say thank you sir.
Yeah, seriously, I mean, this particular interaction actually brings back a lot of memories.
Yeah.
Different time zones. Maybe from the time when we joined the medical school, from the time when I got my first medal. I don't know. Happy faces of your parents and stuff.
They're really glad. Like, still, none of us can believe actually कि like such a big feat. Like, अभी भी hit नहीं करा, you know, कि oh my gosh, कि like all near rank 1. It's such a big thing for us right now.
Absolutely. But fantastic achievement, Aryan, and I must say congratulations again to everyone who has been a part of your journey, including your teachers, including your parents, including all your well-wishers, including your brother. I'm absolutely sure he's also doing fantastically well at Maulana Azad Medical College. And may God bless you with loads and loads of happiness, health, and more success coming your way in the future as well. Enjoy your time. This is a fantastic moment and relish this time.
This is the book he reads right now.
Sir, we are getting a literally inverted image, so if you can just don't sweat.
Don't sweat the small stuff. And all of it is all small stuff.
Don't sweat the small stuff, and it's all small stuff.
Dilip sir, high time that we start writing certain books and maybe we can utilize people like Aryan to kind of promote them, no?
Yeah, exactly. He'll be
Sir,
a star.
he'll love to be part of it in any small form. Whichever
he's
small form,
already a
he'll love to
star.
be part of it.
And he's
No,
gonna
sir.
be a star.
If he's associated with you in any way, it'll be honor for him, sir.
I'd be honored, sir. I'd really be honored.
Fantastic, sir. We are actually genuinely, to be very honest, speechless at this point of time. And very, very happy for you, Aryan. Very, very happy for you. In fact, everybody, all people in your family. I mean, I must say congratulations once again.
Thank you.
Any final words of guidance or anything that you would like to convey, Dilip sir?
No guidance, sir. I think he has to enjoy the moment right now. So he has to forget everything and take his time for a couple of days and 3 days to. I mean, these kind of moments don't happen frequently.
Agreed.
These are once in a lifetime moment. And once you pass off, even if you crack a NEET PG and you get rank 1, like this is your first ever, like that emotion. So
Absolutely.
that's kind of like you have to immerse in that, and it's your time, man. Just enjoy.
Thank
And
you,
there is
sir.
only one thing I can say. That's it.
And sir, I think we are lucky enough to be one of the first few people who have been able to directly get in touch with him right from the
Yes, sir.
time when the result has been
Thanks to
declared
you,
just about
sir.
3 hours back.
Thanks to you.
No, sir, all thanks to them only because I think had it not been for his elder brother Aryan,
Aditya, my
Aditya,
name is
this would not have been possible. But such a fantastic feeling, sir. Such a fantastic feeling. I mean, I think it is a reinforcement to what extent and what is the power of a teacher and to what extent can you influence the lives of people, no matter wherever you are and whichever field you belong to.
And
Local
I have
physics
to
teacher
thank
is supposed to be
you.
the best. Local physics teacher is supposed to be the best in town for last 20 years. So this particular institute is running on his shoulders alone, Billa.
Oh,
actually all of the faculty is really good. The bio teacher, Saurav sir, are really awesome. But हाँ, Ashwani sir, तो like हमें नाम Education Square का firstly सबसे पहले अश्विनी सर से पढ़ा था कि there's this amazing physics teacher and like no one is like him. So, but of course the faculty there is really they teach like they are very
They
good
take lot
teachers.
of effort. They take lot of effort. यहाँ पे लोकल स्मॉल इंस्टीट्यूट का फायदा रहा कि रात को हम 12 बजे व्हाट्सएप करते थे कोई डाउट, they used to reply. Even 2 AM they used to reply, teachers. तो एक फिजिकल मतलब एक पर्सनल कनेक्ट, एक इमोशनल कनेक्ट। फर्स्ट एग्जाम के बाद इसका अच्छा नहीं हुआ, 5 क्वेश्चन रह गए, तो ही वाज वेरी सैड। द डायरेक्टर ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूट एंड बायो टीचर दे केम होम, दे सैट विद अस फॉर 2 hours विद हिम टू मोलिफाई हिम, टू कंसोल हिम। और जब कैंसिल हो गया, एक बार तो लगा कि एग्जाम दोबारा देना पड़ेगा, ही क्राइड ऑन दैट डे। फिर लगा कि नहीं, शायद अच्छे के लिए हुआ है। देन फिर दोबारा धीरे धीरे फॉर्म में आया, 1 हफ्ता लगा, देन ही डिड हिज बेस्ट। मतलब ये था।
Absolutely, sir. I do hope and pray that everybody who appeared in the exam again did an improvement in their scores as well. And I'm speechless, sir. I'm speechless. I'm just too happy to say
Thank
anything.
you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
And thank you both of you. I mean, Aryan and your dad, both of you, like for making us feel nostalgic, taking us.
I'm an anesthetist practicing in Ludhiana. My wife is a gynec.
Yes, sir. I mean, yeah.
So we are doing reasonably okay. Done from reasonable colleges also, still we are doing reasonably okay. But still,
No, sir,
like,
so
it's
happy
अच्छा
for you,
है.
sir. So happy for you. Like, and I can see it. I mean, it's like really a bliss to see both of you. So happy, and you took us back the years, turned back the clock, and
Absolutely, sir.
thanks for making us live the moment.
Thank you, thank you, thank you,
So
thank you,
much, sir.
thank you.
Thank you so much, sir and ma'am, once again. Congratulations,
Thank you.
Aryan.
Hoping
Enjoy
to
your
catch
time.
up with you soon in Delhi.
Yeah,
Absolutely,
definitely, sir.
absolutely.
Absolutely.
It will be such a
Sure.
pleasure.
Yeah. Thank you. Good night.
Thank you.
sir.
Thank you so
Good
much.
night, sir.
Bye.
Good night. Good
Bye.
Thanks for
Good
having
night.
us. Thank
you.
Thanks for having
Thank
all
you.
us on the platform.
Such a pleasure, sir. Such a pleasure.
Thank
Thank you. Thank you, Dilip, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye. Bye. Enjoy your time. We'll catch up soon.
you. Okay, sure.
Thank you. Thank you. Fantastic, sir. Thank you so much for joining in at this point of time. They are having the good times. And just a gentle reminder, the more effort that we put, the higher is the probability of we doing something better and we bringing the smiles on the faces of people who matter most to us. This is something which cannot be compared to anything else. So work harder, my friends. Make your parents proud, make your families proud, and you will never ever regret it. You will always cherish these particular moments. May God bless all of you with whatever you wish to do in your life, and may give more power to you to achieve the better things in life, to help people out, to become the best version of yourself. Thank you so much for joining at this particular point of time. This is time for me to signing off. May God bless us with the choicest of the things. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.